What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to solve the media for like photos or videos not showing on Telegram. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, if you have this error, you might experience when you send a photos or a videos to someone on Telegram, it will not show up, or even when you download something on Telegram like photos or videos, it will not show up. So this is how you're going to solve it. First, go to your settings and go to your app management, then go to app list, then search for Telegram. Then after that, just go to permissions. Just click permission and make sure that your storage or media is allowed. So you might have this problem because your storage are not allowed to use on Telegram. So make sure that your storage are allowed. So that's it. Another thing that you can do is to go to your storage and make sure that you clear your data and cache. And that's it. Then open again your Telegram and see if you can already see the photos or videos you send on someone, or maybe if you download something on Telegram, you should be able to see it in your gallery. For example, like here, I download something on Telegram. So if I go to my photos gallery, go to Telegram section, right here, all my pictures downloaded are shown. And that's it. That's how you solve this error. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.